Hello viewers and welcome to my channel, Review Information. In this video I will show you how to create a private story on Snapchat.
Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates.
Want to create a private Snapchat story that only certain people will be able to see? Watch this full video to learn how to create a private Snapchat story. To begin, open the Snapchat application. Tap on the face emoji or avatar, which is present in the top left corner of your phone screen. Then tap on New Story. In the menu at the bottom, select Private Story. Now choose which of your friends you would like to allow to view the story. When you are done selecting friends, tap the button Create Story. Now type in what you would like to name your story. Tap on Save when you are finished. Now, create a story. You can capture a photo or video, or select any photo or video from your gallery, which you want to share privately. Tap on Send to proceed. Then you will get your new private story as an option. Tap on it. And then, select Send from the bottom. Your story has been updated. You can manage your private story by tapping your profile icon. Then tap the three dots beside the name of your story. There you can change the story name, who can view your story, add posts to the story, or delete it. That's all the things you need to know about creating a private Snapchat story. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.